Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be removing the fuel tank and removing all of the fuel lines and brake lines, just getting everything cleaned up and make sure the car is stripped in order for us to do some welding, paint, body work and all that. So I hope you guys enjoy.
Well, let's get down there first. All right.
Pull it out. Dude. Oh.
What?
Only thing holding this thing on right now
Is that one?
this.
Yeah. Alright.
So
I can't go slow with it. It doesn't do anything.
So, now we gotta figure out, how do you want to do this? Because you're the one going to be under it.
Try to hold it up and then I'll just let it drop on my knees or something.
You're going to have to do most of the holding.
Mm-hmm.
It's going to be heavy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Right.
Is it heavy?
No. It's like 5 pounds.
Stop.
Yeah, I see
You're
it.
getting gas. Hold that hold that.
Yep.
So guys, we got the tank out. It was kind of an unexpected job. We just seen that the fuel pump, like the top of the fuel pump, it was all rusted. So we wanted to take it out as soon as possible and make sure the tank was good.
Last minute.
It was kind of a last minute decision. So we're going to take the fuel pump off, make sure there's no like really bad fuel in it or rust. Which Griffin, he just had him use his knees, which we don't recommend at all. But
no, don't do that.
But it was, just keep that on there. But Griffin said it was very light.
Yeah.
Which right now I can move it.
There's gas in there. So be careful.
So me and Griffin are gonna pull this out right now.
Mm-hmm.
And get on a sheet of cardboard. Are they coming off?
Is it the right way? Yeah.
I'll pull this out.
Mm-hmm.
Flathead?
Nope.
Get a, here, hold up, stop.
Light.
Turn your flash on. Hold on, make sure you can see it.
Yeah, you can see in there just fine.
Oh, hang on.
Watch out, with your hand.
It's that little thing in there.
The fuel tank. Okay, man.
Alright,
Ew.
definitely rusty. Sidewalls are rusty in there.
But it ain't horrible.
No, it's not like gunk.
That fuel is awful.
All that gunk in there.
That's just,
Yeah, just, there you go, all that. Yeah, so it's been sitting like this for, like you said, a year. Still getting fuel in there, so there's a,
it ain't horrible.
is it? Oh. Oh.
What?
It's like, yeah, ooh. I got a cut on my finger.
This was kind of an unexpected video. We didn't think we were gonna pull out the fuel tank, but it just happened. And the fuel tank isn't bad. The fuel tank is in decent shape for how old it is. We got all the fuel lines out, all the brake lines, those are all done. So the next video, I think we're gonna be just finishing up, cleaning up the engine bay, possibly taking off the doors and getting them ready for paint and body work. Other than that, otherwise we're just gonna be starting to paint a bunch of the parts. Like we're gonna respray the gas tank, respray the 2 subframes, and then we're just gonna start welding on the frame, because we're gonna patch up some holes. And then
We found a new hole today.
yeah, so that's gonna be another hole that we have to patch up.
Yeah.
So other than that, that's gonna be it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and comment any ideas you want to see, any paint suggestions, or just anything. Just let us know what you guys want to see on this channel.
Yeah.
So,
And 240 videos are going to be slowly coming to, not an end, but they are going to slowly stop.
Yeah.
Is reason why is money. Is because after paint is done, it's going to be spending money getting parts, and we don't have parts. We don't have the money for the parts yet, and so it's going to be a little bit. So give us some ideas of what you guys want to see. All right.